You might not always be able to answer business questions using an existing data model. It could lack the required data or be too complex. In these instances, you can use calculated and cloned tables to enhance your datasets and improve your analysis. Over the next few minutes, you'll explore calculated and cloned tables and learn how to create them from different sources using DAX functions. AdventureWorks needs answers to business-specific questions about its sales and marketing, but its current data model isn't up to the task. However, by creating calculated tables, the company can compare and analyze its data to generate the required insights. You can learn more about calculated and cloned tables by discovering how AdventureWorks can create them using DAX functions. Let's begin with cloning a table. Cloning a table can be extremely useful for manipulating or augmenting data without affecting the original table. This is especially true when working with tables that are refreshed periodically, and any changes you made to the original table might be overwritten. For example, AdventureWorks must augment its sales table to generate insights, but it doesn't want to alter the original data. So, the company can create and work from a cloned version of the table while leaving the original intact. A table can be cloned using a simple DAX formula. Type the new table's name, an equals operator, and the original table name in parentheses. Add the word all to instruct Power BI to clone all data from the target table. This formula states that the cloned table is equal to the original table. AdventureWorks can use this syntax to create a clone of their sales table, called sales data. You can also use DAX to create a calculated table based on data from various sources. For example, AdventureWorks must combine customer data from a database with sales data from an Excel spreadsheet to analyze the relationship between its sales and customers. The company can use DAX to merge these sources and enable its analysis. Calculated tables can also be used to normalize dimension tables. AdventureWorks can use DAX to split their product dimension table into category and subcategory tables. This creates a hierarchy that enables more efficient data exploration and reporting. Now that you're familiar with creating and cloning calculated tables, let's help AdventureWorks. Before we begin, let's quickly review the data model. Within our model, the sales table is the fact table. It's connected to all other tables via one-to-many relationships, and the cross-filter direction is set to single for all relationships. We're now ready to start. The first step is to create a new calculated table using DAX. In the Data view of Power BI, select New Table from the Table Tools tab to expand the DAX formula bar. Select the formula bar and write an All DAX function that extracts all data from the sales table to create a new cloned version of the table. Press Enter to execute the function and generate an exact copy of the sales table. The new cloned table is listed as Cloned Sales. Next, you need to create a calculated table based on different datasets. This must be an annual sales summary table that references the sales and product tables from the imported dataset. Select New Table once again. Then access the formula bar and write a DAX expression that uses the Add Columns, Summarize, and Calculate functions to calculate and summarize the required data within the Annual Sales Summary calculated table. Press Enter to execute the formula and generate a new table called Annual Sales Summary. Finally, ensure you have the proper relationships set between the tables for the proper functioning of DAX. Review the new calculated tables and their relationships in the Data pane and the Power BI Desktop Model view. AdventureWorks can now begin analyzing its sales data and answering specific business questions by creating visualizations and reports using the newly calculated tables and existing data. Calculated tables are useful in DAX and Power BI for simplifying and enhancing data analysis. You can deploy DAX functions to perform analysis without impacting the original datasets. Study these tools carefully and make them a central part of your skill set.